Welcome to the Consus label verification solution. Today we're going to go through the product maintenance for a product imported from the integration module. To start the process, select Products. If you have not set up a product group or product for this new label, enter them now by clicking New and entering a product group name. If the product group already exists, select the product group and press New on the product. Now we go back to Products again and select Unassigned Integration Labels. Here we can see all labels imported by the integration module that have not yet been set up in the system. To set one up, select the product, then assign a product group and a product. Pressing Save will take you to a list of detected attributes. This information is also provided in an email. Each attribute has a name, status, and data type. Selecting an attribute will allow us to edit it. Here we can see the name, mode, type, and an example provided by the original import. There are four options under mode. There's ignored, attribute, extra data, and order number. Attribute is information on the label that is to be checked. Ignored is information that we do not wish to check. Extra data is information that is not on the label but we would like to display to make it easier to select an order. There are three types available: string or text, dates, and barcodes. If you select string, the system will look for the text on the label. If you select date, the system will look for a date, and you'll be given the option to select a date format. If you select barcode, there are three types of barcodes: standard barcodes, standard box end barcodes, and M&S box end barcodes. When selecting a date type, remember to select the format that is printed on the label. When selecting a barcode type, if you select standard barcode format, the information in the example will be used. If selecting a standard box end, the information from the example will be used and appended with a date in year, month, day format. If selecting an M&S box end barcode, the barcode will automatically be assembled from multiple attributes. If the template imported from the integration module contains multiple duplicate items, like in this case, multiple dates, only one is required to be an attribute and the others can be set to ignored. Once the maintenance is complete, it will look something like this. Now, if this label is detected again, it can be automatically imported as an order. If we click on Label Check, we can see an order we've already imported. You can see we have some extra data. And these are the attributes imported by the integration module using the maintenance we completed earlier. This label is now ready to be used for label checks.